Hey, this is Abraham with FixMyHeadlights.com. Today we're going to be headed down to Miami. Okay, this is the Land Rover Sports that we have to do. As you can see, the yellow, the oxidization is just coming straight off. So what we're doing is sanding the headlights. Okay, this is the finish. The headlights are sealed. You can see they're dry to the touch. Let's look at the other side. Again, before we leave, we're gonna make sure your headlights are sealed, they're dry. It's gonna look beautiful.
Hey guys, my name is Sal. I had Abraham come out here to do my Land Rover Sports, and this is what it looks like after he finished. And I gotta tell you, this guy does a great job. Recommend him highly, and don't hesitate to call him at FixMyHeadlights.com. You're not gonna regret it. Look at it.
Give us a call at 954-272-8560. FixMyHeadlights.com.